I've been told that beauty is pain, but should it be required by your employer? Oh, your feet are bleeding and your toenail fell off? That's okay, because you looked cute, and that's really good for business. Nicola Gavin shared this graphic picture of her friend's feet on Facebook. In the now viral post, she says that her friend works at a Joey's restaurant in Canada and that women are required to wear heels unless they are medically restricted. And apparently, bleeding doesn't count as a medical restriction. Needless to say, the comment section is filled with outrage, calling the policy sexist and archaic. While some supported Joey's, showing pictures of their female employees in flat shoes. Joey's corporate spokesperson responded to the claims, saying that employees were not required to wear heels. But Gavin's replied to the comment with a copy of the handbook, which clearly states that women must wear a heel between 1 and 3 inches. I'm totally fine with heels being required for work, if the woman is a supermodel or a stewardess from the 1950s. I'm Carrie Lum for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.